Hi guys, ito nga pala yung bago kong wigs na si Aria. At may kasama na nga tong free brush at hairnet. At ipapakita ko nga sa inyo ngayon kung paano siya isinusuot. Ginamit ko lang tong dati kong silicone band at nilagay ko na yung hairnet. Ang ganda nga ng wig na to dahil para siya may totoong anit dito sa pinakaulo. At ito nga pala yung pinakaloob niya. Then meron din siyang adjacent. Sa pagsusuot naman is inuuna ko na tong nasa harap and then hihilahin ko na lang siya doon sa likod, yung strap niya. Ganyan nga lang siya kadaling ikabit at yan, meron ka na kagad instant long hair. Pwede nyo nga tong suklay-suklayan at grabe tong buhok na to, napaka-smooth ng texture niya at para siyang real hair. Nagustuhan ko din yung kulay niya na light brown at perfect nga to pang aura-aura at lalo kami pupuntahan kayo. Maganda tong gamitin dahil hindi siya mahalata talagang wig. Very affordable kaya i-try mo na din, kaya i-check out mo na yan.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret